school though. It's not about schooling. That just reality out there. Because trying to associate with people who like doing better than me. So I feel like me going out there, just connection with people. That what is matter. That's where maybe I grab the language and everything. So that's what's up, man.
ufite izindi ndimi uvuga?
Yeah, for sure.
Nk'uruhe uretse ikinyarwanda n'icyongereza n'izihe ndimi zindi uvuga?
I feel like I do right now I'm doing like Spanish, but it's like 30% and Arabic 60% or 70% Arabic. But Spanish right now I'm trying to learn Spanish because I'm not really yet started, but I mean yeah good, but I'm trying to do it. But Arabic it's like 7%.
70%?
Yeah, 7 or 60, yeah, because I lived there like almost 2.5 in Dubai, like a year there. So yeah, I was really good at it.
كيف حالك؟
طيب شلونك يا حبيب؟
Ari muyayi, bro.
Muyayi muzima.
Dumba.
Igipeti cyemeje dumba.
Duba azikare mutubuzi weyi.
Ubuswera ko ndi imbere noneho mani nakabya
Promax. dumba شلونك صح طيب.
ntabyo nzi mbabarira
yarandakaje manura ishyano ndavuga ndakuboroka.
sugira
Yaraje abana batse umutwe bararakara aravuga ati barakara.
we bikugora we icyo nakubonyeho bikugora kumenya umuntu utwika man.
No, man. I was really cool, man, because
sugira tubyumva kimwe urukumva ariko ndamusaza.
I do admire this guy, man, like, because I feel like you guys doing things like really great that our society needs sometimes. Pull up some content that we kind of consume out there, you know, entertainment and stuff. So I do really admire you guys.
Asaba ko barakaye ngo wajye uvuga ikinyarwanda koko.
Oya sugira uretse gato ya mani reka kumpabya. Like gute ubwo promoting a visit Rwanda gute nubuye buryo ukoresha go promoting a visit Rwanda?
Okay, the thing is, like, right now, I feel like the project of Visit Rwanda, it's not for Rwandan people, even if it's only Rwanda, like, even if, like, you're visible in, like, a land of 1,000 holes. But the purpose of Visit Rwanda is just for the target market for, like, foreigners, right, outside the country. I feel like those people can't even speak or understand Kinyarwanda. I feel like, okay, why not I can't be the first person, like, individually, like, can go out there and just talk to those people. I open a company, like right now I got a company right now, like tomorrow I have like gorilla truck. I mean today I did like my gorilla trucking in like in the volcanoes. So I was like with people from US, Canada, and 2 girls from Germany. Like we have been there. They come from my TikTok because I've been just out there talking about Rwanda. Just post about my posters, me traveling the country, every parks here in Rwanda. So yeah, to me, it's just like I've been talking to like Visit Rwanda department, RDB. I was like needed a support for them just to be like a little bit visible to like to some platform, like let's say RBA. But they say, oh, you can show us like what you do first. I was like, okay, no, why not? Let me do my thing without your support, but I know I'll get a shit done for some people here on TikTok, like Godfather been helping me. And I wish like people here, like they've been cool on me, so kind of support my content. So that's what's on now.
Company yawe bayita gute?
So like it's Sugira Rwanda right now. I've been working for like Alpha Green Panther, but right now I just move out. Right now I'm creating my things. You can go like on TikTok, Instagram, whatever, even a website. But we are building a website not done yet called Alpha Green Panther. But right now I'm just wanna open like my individual things, like gotta be even plus a podcast and even a reality things that I wanna do, like a movie stuff. It's gotta be a good things like maybe Sugira Rwanda stuff like that. But right now,
content yawe ibimeze gute kuri TikTok?
Okay, to me, mostly my content it's based on like the things that I post. It's based on like the landscape that we got, and I explain about like our government here in Rwanda that we got, like especially our leader, His Excellency Paul Kagame, because I feel like a lot of people here in Rwanda, they like we love that man, we love that person, but sometimes we don't even know how to talk about it because I feel like to me, if I can speak better English like I'm doing right now, and there is people who's out there who just want to listen to that. So what if I'm talking like the better, the positive things about our country? So people are gonna do that, like maybe a follow up, just say, okay, man, we gotta visit Rwanda, we gotta go there and check it out because we heard that from Sugira, he's a cool guy, whatever. But I feel like posting the national park that we have here in Rwanda, that's part of my content and that's part of what I do.
Okay, see.
By the way, this guy is exist. So mwandike gutyo bimeze kuri Instagram unamubona n'amavideo bari kuvuga.
Thank you so much, bro.
Keep it up, bro. That's good.
Do appreciate it,
Ariho
man.
gutyo byanditse Sugira Rwanda kuri Instagram ariho. N'amavideo menshi ari kuvuga. Oui.
nta kuntu wazamuhostinga umunsi umwe wahostinze nyine ukamuzanamo ukavuga uti we together with Sugira Star.
Nabi tuzareba nta kibazo. Ndabona ari mu bintu by'ubutwari. So tour guide.
No, I'm not a tour guide. I own a company. But like I love traveling. Yeah, but I love traveling. Even right now, like today, I was like in Gorilla trucking, so I was like with my people, just come from Middle East, US, and yeah.
None se ubona gute amafaranga katuvuge uhuye n'abo bantu wowe winjiza gute amafaranga ubona gute?
Okay, that's really interesting question. I do earn money from it because right now, as I said, I was working for someone, I was like a marketer guy because I was the one who got like this kind of high level communication for people, right? This person was like, oh, Sugira,
High level communication ubumenyesheje iki?
Yeah, so I think Sugira mumuhereza iminota ya nyuma dukomeza gahunda twari turimo.
Ni minota 2 ahita ambwira
ahita
Alright. So I mean the better communication